would like to thank Prriya ji ma'am and Pradeep ji sir for introducing me to the world of Reiki. Reiki came into my life when I needed it the most. When I learned Reiki, I actually realized that this was something I was seeking for. In this Reiki workshop, ma'am and sir taught us how to use combinations of various healing techniques with Reiki, such as crystal healing, numeric codes, Bhaktamar mantra, pyramid, and chanting Bhaktamar shloka while doing Reiki practices. I think the use of Bhaktamar is what makes it apart from other Reiki courses and makes it unique and a rare gem in itself. The meditation and attunement sessions were a life changing experience for me. They also inspired us to be more receptive to positivity, help more and more people manifest our goals, and become a better person overall. I'm running short of words for saying thank you to them. I express my heartfelt gratitude to them. I must have done some good karma that I've got both of them as my Reiki Guru. Thank you for enlightening us with your knowledge. Thank you.